Hey guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to revamp our old wig and turn it into a new one at the comfort of our home. Yes, you heard me right. So everything we're going to be doing is going to be done at the comfort of our home. So these are the wigs we'll be working with. You can see how this looks. It's the water coils, the coily wig. We are going to transform this wig now. So first and foremost, you can see how tangled this wig is. So now let's dive into it. So first and foremost, what we'll do, start combing from the back, like step by step. Just take your time, do not rush. This might be time consuming, but once this process is done correctly, you will enjoy the process. Take your time. Part section here line by line and comb out thoroughly. You do it from the beginning to the end. So don't be scared. I know in your mind you might be thinking, this one that we are combing out all the coils, will this coil come back to life? As long as it's human hair, no matter how you comb it, it will still come back to us. So now we'll comb it. Everything will be like as if it's afro wig. You know how afro wig looks like? So that's what it will look like. So just comb everything out. Everything out. There should not be anything left. Comb thoroughly. Comb thoroughly. This one is no messy. Comb thoroughly from the back down to the front. Ensure that everything is properly combed out. As long as you don't have any cause to worry or any cause to fear. So this is the second wig, which is the straight wig I will still be working with. So you repeat the same process by combing thoroughly. So you do that. So after which, now we are going to the main, which is the revamping process. First and foremost, you put in your shampoo. So we are using our Tresemme shampoo. Now you dip in your hair into it, soak it for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. Then begin wash. You see, first you don't wash your wig as if you are washing clothes. No, you see the way I'm doing it, you follow the same process just like that, as if you understand. You don't wash your wig as if you want to wash clothes. No. You can see how dirty this water is. You can see how dirty this water is. So you keep on washing. You keep on washing. You see the way I'm washing the wig now. I'm passing my hand through the wig, not washing intensity as if I'm washing water. But now you can see what I'm doing. I'm washing the net. You see the way I'm washing the net. Now we are going to change this water because this water is something else. So for the second wig, I will just dip it inside so that the dirt will still go out of it, kind of. So now this water, we are going to change this water. So this is the second washing. I've already put my shampoo, everything inside. So now we'll begin to wash. You repeat the same process. You can see that the water is still dirty, but you cannot compare it to the first water that we have thrown away. At least I think we are making a progress, right? We are making a progress with this. So we keep on washing. So So now we're going to wash our lace. You can see that I'm using a toothbrush. Please do not wash your lace as if you are washing the cloth, so that it will not get damaged. It's very fragile, so you have to use your toothbrush to carefully brush through, just the way I'm doing in this video. So you keep on washing until it's clean. So now you dip your hair into the water and repeat the same process. So now I've thrown that water away. This is the third water now that we are using. So this is the third water that we are using. You can see that the water, at least you can see that we are making progress, right? Yeah. So now the water is coming out. It's coming out well. So now you can see that our wig is looking good. So you can see that the band, I have to wash it, the net, I have to wash it as if I'm washing clothes, because that's where the sweat normally resides, the sweat from our head. So you have to wash it so that it will be clean, because if you don't wash it, once you revamp your head, that place will be smelling, the wig can be smelling. So you have to wash your wig properly, you have to wash the wig cap properly. So I washed this hair again, but it was off camera. Now I washed this wig 4 good times before this very stage, which is the rinsing. So now I'm rinsing off the shampoo from the wig. So you can see that the water is clear, it's no longer dirty. So you can see the way I'm brushing now. If you did not brush your hair properly, you'll be seeing something like tangled, but so now this step is what our treatment step. So the first thing that I put was our keratin. Now is our silicone mist. We're adding our silicone mist, and now is our hair mayonnaise. So you can see the quantity that I'm adding. The quantity I'm adding is not that much, because I'm just wrapping few wigs. So the quantity that you use depends on the number of wigs that you are working with. So this is our conditioner. I'm adding conditioner to this. Mind you, yeah, I'm adding conditioner to this Tresemme conditioner. This mixture works like what? Magic. So this is our coconut oil. So, and also our magic formula. So now we'll now mix together. These are ingredients, these are treatments. It works like magic. Honestly, it works like magic. So you mix thoroughly. Now I already washed wig, so you can see this wig has been properly washed. Now we are applying our treatment on it. You do it step by step. Start from the back and move forward, just like that. Ensure that it's spread across every part of the wig. You understand? So now you can see we are applying it gently all over. Ensure that there's no space left untouched. Just ensure that everything is properly applied, every part is properly applied on. So now this is it. So now we'll start combing. You can see our result now. It's coming out gradually. So you comb out just the way I'm doing in this video. Comb out. Okay, so you comb out, see that, you can see those coins. The coins are popping. We've not even started, but the coins are coming out, you can see coming out. These are magic treatment, and no matter how dead your wig is, when you apply it like this, as long as it's 100% human hair, it will come back. So now after which, you can see the way I folded the wig cap, then put into your ziploc bag. So if you don't have a ziploc bag, you can as well use a nylon, and make sure that the nylon is not leaking. So this is just for the other wigs. So you repeat the same process by applying the treatment on the wigs, then fold nicely, then put into the ziploc bag. So after which, our next stage or our next step is the hot water step. So now I will be pouring in my hot water. Hot water is not warm, hot water, already boiled hot water, into a bucket. Then I'll ensure that the water covers the hair. Then I'll cover and leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes. So after which, now we want to wash off our treatments from our wig. So now I'm checking, please don't allow the water to be too hot so that your coils will not lose during that process. So now the water is just warm. Now you bring in your hair, you see the way the smoke is coming out of the hair. The hair is hot. So now you can see the difference, right? We've not even started, so you can see that the hair is already giving what it's supposed to give. So now we wash off the treatments entirely from the wig. The coils now. Can you believe that this is the hair that we brought out from the beginning that looks like one abandoned hair? You can see that it's already giving what it's supposed to give. This wig is a water coil wig. You can see that it has bounced back. Now just check it out now. So I just decided to wash all that. So for this process, I changed the water 3 times. Like I washed the wig 3 times in order for me not to have any treatment on the wig. And that's the final result. I hope this tutorial helped you bring your old wig back to life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy hair tutorials, and don't forget to share this video with someone who has an old wig waiting to be revived. Thank you so much for watching. God bless the works of your hands, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.